It's very, very good to eat in the light night. Hola guys, my name is Marcos, I'm from Argentina, and I want to show you how to make a leftover sandwich. So when you are in Argentina, you have to know the parties finish very late. So when you come back to your house, you are very angry. So every house in Argentina have leftover of asado or milanesas or sausages. So I will find out what I have in my fridge now. So you can make your sandwich with tomato. I have a leftover of rancap from my last asado, the criolla, and the chimichurri sauce. Bread. When you go out to dance in Argentina, so it's not good to say that, but you came to your house with a little alcohol inside you, so you want to eat a lot. We prepare sandwich with all of the leftover we have in the fridge, and fresh tomato, a pinch of salt, the meat is perfect with the chimichurri. Mix well the chimichurri because you don't wanna have a lot of oil and no spices in your meat. It's very simple to do. Criolla sauce too, why not? In every fridge in Argentina have a leftover of asado. Always can do this type of sandwich. I will taste the beef sandwich. It's really, really fresh with the tomato and with the cold beef and the chimichurri and the criolla and the aioli. It's a lot of taste. It's very, very good. Okay guys, if you like this video, try to do this when you come back to your home, when you are dancing and drinking a lot. It's very, very nice. Like we say in Argentina, panza llena, corazón contento. It's full bellies, happy hearts. So try this, and if you like this video, put like and subscribe.